Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Jorge, and here we like to focus on DIY performance car, visual performance mods, anything you can think of, along with showing you guys some awesome cars and sprinkling a few reviews here and there. And today is very exciting because today we're going to finish up the visual looks on this 2019 Camaro SS. So if you guys remember, a while back we actually installed the rear ZL1 style gloss diffuser on our 2019 Camaro, and if you can see here, you've got the black gloss kind of coming up over, similar to the ZL1s do in the way their cars do it, but we're missing the side skirts and the front splitter. And on this car, especially the 2019, I feel that it needs to have a front splitter to really get it that aggressiveness to pop and show. So we went ahead and ordered these parts. So as you guys know, I already have the American Authority rear diffuser, and I went ahead and got their side skirts. So these are the ZL1 style replica side skirts from American Authority. We'll go ahead and open those up right now, but those are going to go along here and actually line up really well with the American Authority rear diffuser. So I'm really looking forward to how that all is going to flow perfectly smooth around the side. And then of course we've got the Extreme online store, the EOS front ZL1 style splitter, and this is the ZL1 original style splitter, not the 1LE, and that's the one that's gonna finish up our look up here in the front. So let's go ahead and take those out and show you guys what they look like. Alright guys, so check it out. Here is our ZL1 style side skirt. And as you can see, this one actually is pretty nice. I mean, it comes all the way covered on the bottom end, and if we look at the top end, it has a wraparound so that we can go ahead and bolt it on from the side there, which is going to be really nice. It's got screw points. It's already got all the drill points out, which is good. And this basically is going to go like so. It does have this little lip here, which I'm going to be using 3M double-sided tape with the adhesion promoter to make sure that it sticks well and doesn't lift up on from the body panel. And then it comes with this foam insert, which goes right here on the part that extends out to make sure that it holds its shape and all that. So it's really nice. The quality looks really good. I like that they're actually plastic and not fiberglass. So that's going to be really good. I'm really excited about that. And of course, these don't come painted. They're not painted, so we're going to need to send them over to get painted before we can put them on the car. But as of right now, I actually really like the quality. Looks pretty sturdy, and like I said, looks very simple. It's just going to be a lot of some screws along the bottom, along with the double-sided tape on the top, and that should take care of this whole good design. So I can't wait to get that installed. And of course, you've got the other one that's right here on the side. They also come with actually, it looks like it comes with the double-sided tape and the screws that you're going to need to use for, so it does come with the hardware, which is really awesome. So let's go ahead and pack those back up and show you guys what the front splitter looks like. Alright guys, check it out. So this is the ZL1 style front splitter, and also in a plastic, ABS plastic. Already has, it mounts to the stock mounting bolts, and the holes are already drilled out, which is perfect. So there you have it guys. We've got the front splitter, we've got the side skirts, and of course we've already got our rear diffusers. So now we just got to get these to paint before we can put those on. So we've actually already dropped off the splitter and the side skirts at the paint shop, and hopefully those should be coming in about a week or so. And we still need to do a dyno on the car. We're gonna try to schedule that up here in the next week or two, as well as go to the track. Now, aside from that, I've actually been thinking of a few things, and I wanted to get you guys' opinion on what I should do. Specifically, that is with these brake calipers. As you guys can see, these calipers are actually not painted, and honestly not really a good finish. That is one thing that every time I walk out to the car, I just have that sore spot. I need help figuring out what colors should we paint these calipers, guys. Should we go with the gloss black and have it just blend in with the wheels? Or do we go with a gloss red to have it pop and stand out? So those are the two options right now that I'm looking at, and that is gloss black, blend in, or bright gloss red to have the caliper pop on the car. I know those are the two very typical ones, but that is one thing that I'm hoping you guys can help me out with. Comment down below and let me know what color and why you would do that on this. Now keep in mind, I am having gloss black around the front splitter and the side skirts as well. One other thing that's coming up that I'm doing is actually replacing this badge here with a gloss black badge. So these are getting replaced with gloss black, and so hopefully that is actually going to be really good, look really good. So I can't wait to do that. Hopefully have that in for the next video. But I'm really excited about this car. Can't wait to take it to the track. I really want to take it to the track. And let me show you guys something that I thought was really cool, and that is I've gone ahead and changed out this faceplate and put the SS logo. That is really cool. As you can see, this has actually activated, but let me see if I can show you by disconnecting this thing. Check out the aero force gauges can actually start up with a certain type of logo on the screen as well, and check it out. So it'll also has the SS logo on the screen. So I thought that was really cool. Alright guys, now here is another area that I kind of want to get your opinions on. So I know the whole bow tie here in the front is very controversial, and you know, people are kind of iffy or think it's not a good look, obviously with the bow tie here in the front. But I do want to do something different with this front end, and I think I've kind of mentioned it before, but I'm going to put it up on the screen actually. What my idea is, and this is from a car that was out at SEMA last year, I believe. But I do want to change this up. Basically, my vision is similar to what you guys see in that image with the SEMA car. Let me know in the comments down below, thumbs up or thumbs down, what you guys think of what I can do to that. Let me know in the comments down below, yes, should I do that, or no, leave it as it is. But other than that, guys, this video is kind of just, I want to show you guys some of the visual mods and stuff that I have coming for it, and hopefully get you guys some more content. Let me know what kind of things you'd like to see, post them down below. So hopefully you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.